1.
In this problem, you have to find angles x, y, and z. We already know that lines AC and AB are equal. We also know that lines AB and DF are parallel to each other, and lines BC and ED are parallel as well as lines AC and EF. The angle measure of angle CAB is 70 degrees.
Okay, so first we have to look what we actually do know about the problem and what information that we have available. We know that AED is considered a triangle. We also know that the sum of the angles in a triangle are equal to 180 degrees. So because we know this, we can automatically take away the 70 degrees from the 180 to get the individual angle measures for angle J. We're just going to label these here really quick. This will be angle J, and then this will be angle S. So we can automatically figure out the angle measures for those two individual angles. So when you take 180 minus 70, you automatically get 110. And then since there are two angles that you have to figure out, you have to divide that by 2. And that equals 55 degrees for both of those. So we'll just write in right here that both of those are equal to 55 degrees.
Okay. So since angle S is 55 degrees, this means that angle Y, which we need to label up here, angle Y is also 55 degrees because of the theorem of alternate interior angles. This means the same rule applies to angle Z because angle J is its alternate angle. This means the angle, the angle measure of angle Z is also 55 degrees. Alternate interior angles.
Okay, and then from the previous triangle, we know that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. And so since we know now that both y and z are equal to 55 degrees, all you have to do is kind of do a reverse of what we did the first time. So you would add up the 55 and 55 and get 110, and then you would take 180 minus 110 to get the last angle for angle x. So you kind of do the reverse of what you did here. So you take 180 minus 110, okay, which is equal to 70 degrees. So since x is the last angle that we have to figure out, we know that x is equal to 70 degrees. And that we know that, like I said, for the angle sum of a triangle. So that would be the rule that you would put down for that.